Hey everybody, Billy from the LM Cases Custom Integration Department, and today we are going to take a look at a very cool case that we just finished up for Northwestern University. So if you follow us and you generally have an idea of what we do, we do a lot of these amenities style cases. This one is specifically designed around coffee. And there was an equipment manager that was at Northwestern for a while that made a special blend of coffee that they referred to as jar of juice. So we added a custom illuminated sign that goes in here. So this lights up in purple like this with an LED strip behind it. So this is a custom milled piece of half-inch acrylic. With the school's logo burned into it with a laser like that. And basically, it just illuminates the entire case in a nice shade of purple. Not that you can really see that very well with our studio lights in here, but anyway, I think you get the idea. So when the coffee is hot, you can click the little sign there to let everybody know. So the way that we accomplish this is we have a couple of different boxes here that we build that are designated as a DSK series. And I shot a video on this a while ago just showing some of the differences that you can get with the DSK AC. This is a standard Decora punch. We use this box a lot for courtesy power and things like that. So in this application, it's shown with a switch, but you can get it with any variety of just regular wall outlets. You can do a 4 USB outlet. You can do Edison's. Edison duplex, or you can do an Edison duplex with USB-A and C, USB-A or USB-C. So in this particular instance, we are just using it for the Decora switch. So on this side, this is the coffee carafe that is the jar of juice. And this is mounted, pardon the mess in this room, this is mounted with a removable plastic piece right here. So if they do want to change the carafe eventually, they can. So these just have, this is a custom bracket that we made. Basically, it traps the legs right here with a black rivet, and then if you want to take the machine out, you just pop out these little 10/32 Allen bolts right here. This particular coffee maker presented a bit of a challenge because it doesn't have a power switch. So to overcome that, we're using another in the DSK series of LM products called the DSK SM. So when you click the button right here, our little indicator light comes on showing that the coffee pot is on. So again, bit of an overkill solution for that, I admit, but at LM, we like to say we're not necessarily overkill, we are the appropriate amount of kill. I will pause for laughter with that dad joke. So further along with the DSK SM series, you can't see in the back there, but there is a DSK SM located in the back that does have a plug in it, and that's how the coffee machine is plugged in. So, you know, again, the coffee cases are kind of tricky because, you know, you're dealing with a boiling liquid, which is generally not a common thing in road case world. So when we do these types of things, we make sure that it's very solid so that if and when you're pulling it out, you can't knock the carafe over. So going further into the top of the case here, again, I mentioned the light switch ad nauseum. They did request a C-fold paper towel dispenser, which is this right here, currently not loaded. These are just a restaurant grade cup dispenser. And then on this side is our Keurig. So in this, again, it follows the same basic design that we always do. We trap it by the base, and it is currently plugged into an additional DSK SM that is located in the back. And much like the carafe, you can see that I'm wrenching on that drawer pretty hard, and it's not coming out. So on the bottom here, we do have some accessory drawers. And like all of our drawers at LM, these are built out of half-inch Baltic plywood, finished with black texture coating and mounted on heavy-duty Accuride glides. So these drawers are designed to take a lot of weight and a lot of long-term abuse. The things that you're looking at in the drawer here are just the manuals and some replacement strings. springs for the cup dispenser. The bottom portion of the case has 3 of these drawers that are divided into 4, just for generic kind of storage. And then we do have a very nice stainless steel beverage cooler that are right on the bottom here. Thick stainless steel door with some glass. The other striking thing that you may notice about this particular case is there isn't a lid. There are dual lids that are made with 270-degree hinge. So in LM nomenclature, we call these fold-flat doors. So as you can see, the doors are folded flat against the side of the case, not just a clever name. So power to this case is supplied by a 25-foot LM Tor Systems True 1 to Edison cable. This is a locking power cable built out of 12-gauge SO cable. This is going to give you a very long-term heavy-duty power solution for this case. And again, this case was built exactly per order by the customer. So if there's something that you like or would like to see, I guess when we wrap this up, we might as well put the cool LEDs on. If there was something that you would like or you would like to see on your case, we're happy to build it however you'd like. And that goes down to layout orientation. We can do the power however you want. We're currently working on a few coffee cases that actually require 208 volt power for certain aspects of the case. So, if you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out on Instagram, LM_cases. Or if you'd like to buy any of our pre-made items, check us out, lmcasesonline.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. Appreciate it.